Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok birthday in less than 1 minute. So first thing you wanna do guys is open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is search for TikTok and then click on it like this. Click on this force stop option and then go to the storage or the internal storage as you can see here. Click on clear cache and then click on clear data. After that go back, click on the data usage and then make sure to enable all those options. And now all what you want to do next is go to the Play Store. Sorry, go to the TikTok, search for it and click on this update option to update your TikTok into the latest version. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end.